Hello, folks. It's the Wolf Hunter coming to you from the Man Cave Studios. If you've seen my previous video, you've seen where I did the Kentucky pistol, that one there, and now I'll be doing the Kentucky rifle. I've got everything set up, ready to go, and I'll be using the same finish as on the pistol, English chestnut. And I'll be getting it all done. Got everything ready. The owner thought this was very nice. He said I did a really good job on it. And he can't wait to see this one done. And I hope you folks can't wait to see this one get done either. If you look at this ramrod, look at the pattern on that wood. That's going to look nice when I put the stain on it. That's probably going to make that thing stand out. But this is part 2. So folks, tune in and see how it comes out. And then next will be the Blunderbuss. And that would be all 3 of these projects. And I hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends. And always remember, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.